All right, let's see what we got here. Gifts for men, dad, something, dot, camping survival gear. This is something that I bought on the spur of the moment. I didn't know if it's any good or not. Let's go ahead and get into this thing. Spunker, it says. Spunker. Here's a case. There's an emergency blanket. We have some bandages. Attaches 4 spots there. Okay, we have some kind of little strappy thing. Looks like a ballpoint pen. Nice. What's on the other end of that? Not sure. Here's a knife. It's not locking into place good. If it's supposed to be a lock blade, it's not locking open. Okay, in this kit we had, that's a pocket bellows. You basically blow through it if you want to start a fire, get some oxygen on a fire. A tactical pin. I'm not sure what makes it tactical, other than the other end here's pointy. Little flashlight. It's a little LED flashlight. I think it'll take a double A or a triple A. I'm not sure. This will let you attach something to your belt here, maybe a water bottle or something. I believe this is a fire starter, maybe a flint fire starter. This is a little multi-tool with a saw, and here's a little diagram. Okay, here it is. Can opener, knife edge, screwdriver, ruler, cap opener, 4-position wrench, butterfly wrench, saw blade, direction, ancillary indication, 2-position wrench, lanyard hole. A lot of stuff on there. That's a wire saw here. This is a compass. It does point north, kind of. So there's that. This lock blade that when you open the blade the lock doesn't lock, which is dangerous. An emergency blanket and some sterile gauze swabs. And these weren't in the case. They were outside the case because this case is a little bit too small for everything. And then there's the bag here. So this was pretty cheap, and everything in it is pretty cheap. Oh, did I mention this? This is like a paracord bracelet. Oh, and it has a little compass on it too, but that compass doesn't seem to work very good. But if you need some paracord, well, here's a bracelet with paracord in it. And what's that? Not sure what that does, but it attaches like so around your wrist. Let's see how well this tactical pin works. It does right. And I want to go ahead and test this flashlight. Yes, it uses a AA battery as expected. Well, it has a blink mode. See that right off the bat. That's about as bright as I expected it to be. Pushing it once puts it in blink mode. So those are the two modes. Just light and blink. So there you go. There's your Spunker survival kit from Amazon. All a bunch of Chinese stuff that's pretty cheap. Some of it's a little more useful than other things. Some things in here are a little more useful than other things, but there you go.